Hi, my name is Michael Holmes, and I'm a digital marketer and software enthusiast. Make sure to subscribe to my channel Tekrific for software reviews, tutorials, and digital marketing strategies. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use AdWords to promote your YouTube video content. Now, a lot of experts will caution that this is not a shortcut to channel growth, and I'd have to agree that they're right. If we jump over and look at my statistics here, you can see I've spent almost $300 and I've only earned 2 subscribers and 26 earned views. Earned views are when somebody watches your ad and then watches another video of yours after that. So why am I making this video? I think that you can still use a small amount of content promotion to get some results. And this is to say, don't go overboard and spend hundreds or thousands of dollars on this. But I'd say if you set aside a budget of $10 per video, I think that's great at providing social proof. So when somebody sees a video in the search results page, instead of it having 3 views, it'll have 500 to 1,000 views. In this video, I'm going to skip ahead and show you some of the targeting options because they're really exciting. Then I'm going to come back and show you how to set up an ad step by step. So for the targeting options, I'm going to hit the tool icon here. And if you're currently using the old AdWords, you can also hit the gear icon and switch over to the new one to follow along with me. But I'm going to go to Shared Library and Audience Manager. And I'm going to create a new audience from my YouTube users. Now this is great if you have an existing channel because you can target anybody who's seen a video on your channel, anybody who's watched certain videos, anybody who's seen an ad or watched certain ads. You can also target based on engagement, including subscribing to your channel, liking, adding to a playlist, commenting, or sharing any video on your channel. So this is great if you have an established channel and want to reach out to your most engaged viewers, like those that have shared your content. Maybe they'll share the new piece of content that you're putting out. Also topics that are related. So if you have an existing video on your channel that's related to the current video that you're trying to promote, you can create an audience of just people who have viewed that previous video. But what if you've got a brand new channel and can't really take advantage of any of this targeting? Well, there's options for you too, and they're pretty exciting as well, so let's get into that now. When you click on the video campaigns page, you'll see all of the different targeting options that are available. You can target by keywords, which will target specific search terms. This might be a great place to insert some of the keywords that you researched in my other video on YouTube keyword research. Another option here is audiences. Audiences will allow you to pick some of the lists that you created in the shared library, but you can also choose from brand new audiences as well. So we've got a couple options here, affinity and in-market and life events. So affinity is going to be people that are generally interested in a topic. In market are going to be people that are currently shopping for a topic. So a great example of an affinity audience would be car enthusiasts. An in-market example would be somebody who's looking to buy a car this weekend. The other thing that you have here is life events, which allow you to target college graduations, marriages, or people that are moving. So the next tab here is demographics, and you can pick audiences based on age, gender, parental status, and household income. This would be a good way of, if you have an established channel, you can look at your channel stats and demographics there and make sure that they match with your ad spend. Topics is a way of choosing certain topics and having Google place the ad in places where it thinks that it will gain some traction. Placements is a little bit more granular in that you can choose yourself the specific websites, YouTube channels, or even specific YouTube videos where the ad will play. So now that you see the power in the different targeting options, let's dive in and set up an ad. So I'll go to campaigns, I'll create a new campaign. This will be a video campaign. And I'm going to choose a goal of brand awareness and reach. So I'll choose standard awareness here and click continue. I'll name the campaign the same as the video. And I'm going to set a campaign total budget of $10. The approval process is usually pretty quick, like within 1 day, so I'm just going to leave this as soon as the ads are approved. I'm going to uncheck video partners, just because I don't trust the... this is more just a personal preference, but I don't trust the network outside of YouTube as much as I do the YouTube specific one. So I'll set up English as the language. Locations is interesting. I think English-speaking countries are good to target. You might find a lower cost per view if you go outside the US. There are English-speaking countries that are less expensive to advertise in, like South Africa and India. I'll choose United States and Canada. And I'll add games as a content exclusion because I don't think that I don't think that my content fits well for that particular placement. And also embedded videos. The additional settings here will give you the ability to do frequency capping. I'm going to set the number of impressions and views to 1. So an impression would be if they watch for less than 30 seconds and then skip the ad. And then a view would be if they watched past the 30 seconds or interacted with the ad content. Cost per view is going to vary on your content and your niche, but generally, I mean, I'm seeing somewhere between a penny up to maybe 12 cents. So I'm just going to kind of leave this in the middle at 5 cents per view and see how that does. So I'm going to add in my keywords here, and this is basically just the tags that I'm using on my YouTube video, how to do keyword research for YouTube. Now I can copy the video URL here. Now I'll take my channel page for the link and just make sure to add in the question mark sub_confirmation equals 1, and just test this out real quick in a new tab. This is the page that will automatically ask you to subscribe once you visit the link. So that's what I'll make the display or final URL. I'll just choose a few days ahead for the end date of the campaign. And that's it. The one additional step is to go into the campaign you just created, go to videos, and then edit the call to action. Here you can put in that subscription link again. And I'll save this. So this is just another way of possibly being able to subscribe. And you'll see that it gives that little pop-out box now. For a call to action. So this was how to promote your video content on YouTube. Make sure to check out my other topics on YouTube as well as software review in general. You can check out keyword research for YouTube if you're interested in finding the right keywords to rank higher in YouTube. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the space below, and thanks for watching.